Today I have the pleasure to introduce something really special and unique to you, the limited edition of the Power Unit 3. Hi, this is Mark once again from Cheyenne Professional Tattoo Equipment, and this is the Power Unit 3. Once this machine is turned on, it works perfectly without any physical contact. So we have a gesture control, and therefore we have two sensors left and right of the machine. If you activate both sensors at the same time, your machine will start. Again, your machine will stop. If you want to change the frequency, a little swipe up, the machine turns orange. And while it is orange, you can decrease the voltage on the left side and increase the voltage on the right side. Just wait a little and start the machine over again. And for sure, this will work with black gloves as well. The voltage range is from 4.7 to 12.5 volts. In addition, it has two USB ports, so you can charge your phone or iPad at the same time while using it. And for sure, it has a magnetic stand. You can either put it on the wall or place it on your table. The special thing about the Power Unit 3 is that it's a collector's item. This is limited to 1,111 pieces, and there will be no further ones. So if you want to grab one of those, you should be quick. If you have any questions regarding the Power Unit 3, just leave a comment below the video or just leave a like. So see you next time.